In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the page orientation of your PDF so that your content always fits and looks its best. So you want to start by opening your PDF design inside of the PDF editor like I have here. And then on the right hand side, you want to click on the paint roller icon, also known as the PDF designer. So I'm going to click on that now. And then inside of the PDF designer, you want to make sure that you have the layout tab selected as we do right here. From here, you can select your page size, such as A3, A4, or other standard formats. Next, you can change your page orientation. You can switch between portrait or landscape depending on your layout needs. Landscape orientation is ideal for wide tables, certificates, or visual heavy layouts, while portrait mode works best for forms and documents. And as you noticed, your layouts adjust automatically, keeping the structure, the spacing, and your entire design intact. And if you want to see exactly how this new orientation looks, just click on Preview PDF up here at the top right, and you can see exactly how that would look. Then you can just disable it and go back to the way it was if you wish. And these options here helps ensure that your PDF stays readable, professional, and well aligned no matter the layout. And that's it. Switch page orientation in just a few clicks to match your content perfectly. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform PDF Editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.